an exceptionally popular LED foldable advertising display in 2025. This device is impact-resistant, waterproof, and features a foldable frame designed for portability. Its base can be freely moved, folded, and disassembled to enhance convenience during transportation. The display can function as a standalone unit or be seamlessly connected with multiple units to form an expansive screen operated via a mobile phone. The system is user-friendly, intuitive, and supports plug-and-play functionality,